Yom Tov, and we start with Sefer Shmiras Haloshon. And today's topic is the infinite benefit of avoiding strife in financial matters through proper bitachon, trust in Hashem, can be understood with the following parable. Okay. A father distributed portions of food to his sons, who were gathered around the table. One son reached over and snatched his brother's portion. When the victim saw that his portion would not be returned, he went to the head of the table and told his father that what happened. I'm sure, father, he said, that you do not want me to fight with my brother. That is why I'm requesting another portion for myself. Upon hearing this, father kissed his son on the head and handed him a larger portion than before. The father said, let your foolish brother keep your original portion. The next time we eat together, you will receive double portion, while he will get nothing. So that's amazing parable, very famous. Right? I mean, it's very self-explanatory. But let's just repeat, right? So it says that family were sitting around the table, and one brother is usually, right, happens, older brother snatched the portion from younger brother. And instead of fighting, he went to father and said, look, I don't want to fight. Just if, of course, you don't want me to starve. So just give me food. And father was very happy that they did not fight. He's going to handle this older brother later on. But in the meantime, he's very happy that there was no fight. So meaning what? That he would need to feed his child anyway, right? But he could feed him without aggravation or with aggravation, like the whole family is going to fight. So it's very interesting and very straightforward that what Hashem wants from us. So if somebody did something to us, in financial field, right? So we just have to overlook, and guess what? Hashem is going to replenish. He has a lot. He has right, not a lot. Everything belongs to him. All of the portions. Now, what would the father's reaction would be had the victim's son yelled at his brother and attacked him physically until he succeeded in retrieving his portion? Surely the father would have been very upset. He would have told the victim, I would have gladly given you another portion rather than you and your brother come to blows with one another. What utter foolishness have you demonstrated? Right? So, but of course, it's understandable. So that's what father was. He does not want children to fight. And he said, why would he fight? Like what? Anyway, you would receive from me. Right? All of the portions, all of the food are coming from me. Anyway, so you would come from me. Ask nicely. I mean, just ask. And I'm going to give you. Right? No need to fight with your brother. When a Jew adversely affects another financial affairs and refuses to honor request that he sees his wrongful practices, and the victim pleads before Hashem that he replenish his losses, surely he will find favor above for demonstrating trust in Hashem and pursuing the path of peace. And his trust will be rewarded yet with greater success in the business endeavors. Let's do this piece again, and we're going to add a few things. When a Jew adversely affects another's financial affairs and refuses to honor a request that he sees his wrongful practices. Right, meaning one Jew wronged another, and he does not want to return. Right, and the victim pleads before Hashem that he replenish his losses. So I mean, Hashem saw what happened. So in my mind, even if you don't ask Hashem, look, he already promised to give us whatever he promised on Rosh Hashanah. So why are you so nervous, right? That he forgot? I mean, we forget. We forget, but he doesn't never forgets. So I mean, even if you don't ask them, he'll still replenish, right? Surely he will find favor above, right? For demonstrate and trust in Hashem. Pursue the path of peace. Of course, we're not don't engage in any financial dealings or business dealings with that person ever again. That's understandable, right? There is no mitzvah to be stupid, but otherwise, that's it. Just forget it. Just continue moving forward. And this trust will be rewarded with yet greater success in his business endeavors. Okay. However, if one chooses to feud with a person who has done him wrong, he will not find favor before Hashem, like the victimized sons in our parable, who upsets his father by taking matters in his own hands. Of course, the victim has every right to seek retribution in Jewish court of law, pursue other avenues which are sanctioned by Halacha. Right? So, of course, if one Jew wronged another, the proper way is to go to a court. But even if you don't, just remember, so Hashem is going to replenish, but fight with that person is not correct. Of course, as we spoke in the laws of Lashon Hara, you would be allowed to warn other people, right, to stay away from this person, from this group, right? Allowed, even required in some cases, because you're trying to protect other people. Right? It's this speaking bad about that person is not going to consider Lashon Hara. Okay.